Hola, this is Whappens, a revolutionary mobile service designed to aggregate local and online events globally. Our platform offers a comprehensive guide to a variety of events, from concerts to workshops tailored to your location and interests. With advanced search capabilities, personalized alerts, and offline functionality, Whappens ensures you never miss out on what's happening around you. Navigating through countless websites and apps to find relevant events can be tedious and inefficient. Whappens solves this by being your one-stop solution for discovering and organizing events based on your preferences and schedule. Everyone, regardless of where they are, seeks ways to connect with local cultures or find events that match their interests. Whappens has the potential to become an essential tool, not just locally but globally, as it transcends geographical and cultural boundaries. Whappens is not just an app, it's your personal event concierge. Whether you're planning a business trip or a vacation, Whappens helps you efficiently organize your itinerary to include events that interest you, maximizing your experience wherever you go. Unlike other event discovery services, Whappens offers a personalized experience with its advanced algorithm that not only suggests events but also helps you plan an optimal path to attend multiple events seamlessly. This integration of logistics and personalization sets us apart. Our team comprises passionate professionals from the tech and event management industries, with a shared vision of making event discovery as easy as a tap on your screen. Our diverse backgrounds and expertise fuel the innovation and drive at Whappens. Our goal is to establish Whappens as a leading event discovery service in Europe and beyond, monetizing through subscriptions, ads, and partnerships with event providers, while also focusing on strategic marketing and promotion.